Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 10 Maths tutorial. Today I am going to solve ICSE 2024 examination specimen question paper mathematics. Today I am going to solve sub question 11 onwards. This is part 3. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, कैसे कह दूं कि तेरे प्यार का तोहफा क्या है, कैसे कह दूं कि तेरे प्यार का तोहफा क्या है, तेरे पत्थर से मेरे जख्म का रिश्ता क्या है, तेरे पत्थर से मेरे जख्म का रिश्ता क्या है. शादमा लोगों मेरे जख्म से दिलचस्पी क्यों, शादमा खुश हैप्पी. शादमा लोगों मेरे जख्म से दिलचस्पी क्यों, उसका पत्थर है मेरा सर है तुम्हारा क्या है, उसका पत्थर है मेरा सर है तुम्हारा क्या है. एक और शेर सुने. आप गैरों की बात करते हैं, हमने अपनों को आजमाया है. आप गैरों की बात करते हैं, हमने अपनों को आजमाया है. लोग कांटों से बच के चलते हैं, हमने फूलों से जख्म पाया है. लोग कांटों से बच के चलते हैं, हमने फूलों से जख्म पाया है. थैंक यू. लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, sub question 11, and the question is, in a circle with radius r, the shortest distance between two parallel tangents is equal to option A r, option B 2r, option C 2 pi r, option D pi r. Let's see which option is correct. These are the two tangents, AB and CD. They are the two tangents. AB is the tangent at the point P and CD is the tangent at the point Q. OQ is radius, OP is radius, and POQ is the diameter, straight line. The question is, in a circle with radius r, the shortest distance between two parallel tangents is equal to. The shortest distance means the perpendicular distance. Okay, now we have to see if PQ is perpendicular, if PQ is the perpendicular distance between the tangents AB and CD or not. Okay. Now OQ is radius and Q is the point of contact where CD is the tangent. The theorem is, the tangent to a circle at a point and the radius through the point of contact, they are perpendicular to each other. That means OQ is perpendicular to CD. This angle is 90 degrees. Similarly, we can say that OP is perpendicular to AB. Again the same theorem. The tangent at a point to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to AB because AB is the tangent and P is the point of contact. Alright, so OP is perpendicular to AB. That means PQ is perpendicular distance between the two tangents AB and parallel tangents AB and CD, and PQ is nothing but diameter. Alright, so in a circle with radius r, if r is the radius, then 2r is the diameter. This is r and this is r. OQ is r and OP is also r. So PQ is equal to OP plus OQ, R plus R is equal to 2R. So option B is correct. option B 2R. Alright. Now next question, question number 12, and the question is, an observer at a point E, which is at a certain distance from the lamppost AB, finds the angle of elevation of top of lamppost from positions C, D and E as alpha, beta and gamma. It is given that B, C, D and E are along a straight line. Which of the following condition is satisfied? Option A, tan alpha is greater than tan beta. Option B, tan beta is less than tan alpha. Option C, tan gamma is greater than tan alpha. Option D, tan alpha is less than tan beta. Now let's see which option is correct. What is the correct answer? Now please remember, as theta increases, for any acute angle theta, in this case theta is acute, alpha, beta and gamma, they are acute angles if you see the figure. So for any acute angle, theta, as theta increases, tan theta increases. Alright. So in this case, the correct option will be tan alpha is greater than tan beta, because alpha is greater than beta. If you see the figure, alpha is greater than beta, and therefore tan alpha is greater than tan beta. So option A is correct. 12 sub question, option A is correct, and that is tan alpha is greater than tan beta. Alright, clear? Okay, now next question, 13 question, and the question is, shares of company A paying 12% rupees 100 shares are at rupees 80. Shares of company B paying 12% rupees 100 shares at rupees 100. Shares of company C paying 12% rupees 100 shares are at rupees 120. These are the three statements given, 1, 2 and 3. Now, shares of which company are at premium? Option A, company A. Option B, company B. Option C, company C. Option D, company A and C. Let's see which option is correct. We write like this, just look at it. 12% rupees 100 shares at rupees 180. We write like this, and the meaning is 12% is the dividend percent, rate of dividend. So here it is D percent is 12%. This rupees 100, see the position. This figure gives you the face value of the share, the nominal value of the share. So here the face value of the share is rupees 100, face value of each share. And this position, at this position, what we write, that is the market value of the share. So here it is rupees 120, market value, MV, market value is rupees 120. This is how we write. So you can easily find out what is the face value of the share or the nominal value of the share, what is the market value of the share, and what is the dividend percent. Alright. Now, three things you please remember. If the market value of the share is more than the face value, then we say that the shares are above par. Above par. If the market value of the, so here it is rupees 120 and the nominal value or the face value of the share, we say face value or we say nominal value, both are correct. So the face value of each share is rupees 100, whereas the market value of each share is rupees 120. So the market value is more than the face value. So we say that here the shares are at premium, above par. Alright, so we got the answer. Now let me discuss the two other cases. Suppose this is like this, 12% rupees 100 shares at rupees 100. So the market value is rupees 100 and the face value or the nominal value is also rupees 100. In this case, we say that the share is at par. And in case this value is less than this value. That means suppose this is rupees 80. The market value is rupees 80. So 12% rupees 100 shares at rupees 80. Market value is less than the face value. So we say that the shares are below par. Got it? These are the three situations. In our case, because the market value is more than the face value or the nominal value, so we say that the shares are above par or at premium. So the answer is C option. C option, company C, where company C is shares of company C paying 12% rupees 100 shares at rupees 120. This is C. So option C, company C is correct, is the correct answer. Fine. Now 14th question, and the question is, for 14th question, which of the following equation represent a line passing through origin? Option A, 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, 2x minus 3y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 6. These are the four options. Now let's see which of the options is correct. 14th. I have written option B, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 0 is correct. You know the reason? You should remember, any line which is independent of a constant term passes through the origin. Alright. Now see, 2 is a constant, 3 is a constant, but they are not the constant term. They are with the variable, so they are called the coefficients. So 2 is the coefficient of x, whereas 3 or minus 3 is the coefficient of y. Alright, so they are the coefficients. I am talking about the coefficients. How much? Immaterial. They are the coefficients. Alright, not the constant term. If you have the equation like this, suppose 2x minus 3y, same question I'm taking, minus 3y and plus suppose 1 is equal to 0. Alright, now in this case, this 1 is a constant. Alright, so you can say that this equation is not independent of a constant term. So this equation, this line doesn't pass through the origin. Any line which is independent of any constant term passes through the origin, or which doesn't have a constant term passes through the origin. So this doesn't have a constant term, so it passes through the origin. So the correct answer is 2x minus 3y equal to 0, because rest of the options you have one 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So 5 is a constant term, so it will not pass through the origin. As far as the C option x equal to 5 and D option y is equal to minus 6, they are concerned. So this I have explained in my lecture on the straight lines, that you can watch video for the detailed answer in detail. Then also I am telling you x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis, and x is equal to 5 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 5 units from the origin. Alright, so that you can watch. There are some lectures on straight lines. So the option 14th question, option B is correct, and which is 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Okay, now the next question, question number 15, and the question is, for the given 25 variables x1, x2, x3 and so on up to x25, assertion A, to find median of the given data, the variate needs to be arranged in ascending or descending order. Reason are, the median is the centermost term of the arranged data. Option A is true, R is false. Option B, A is false, R is true. Option C, both A and R are true. Option D, both A and R are false. Alright, so let's see which option is correct. And you know that the median is the centermost value of the observations arranged in ascending or descending order. We arrange the given data in the ascending or descending order, and then we find out the median, which is the centralmost value of the observations. All right. So if we see, the assertion is to find median of the given data, the variate needs to be arranged in ascending or descending order. Correct. And then our reason is the median is the centralmost term of the arranged data. Yeah, this is also correct. That means both A and R are true. So option C is correct. Both A and R are true. All right, clear? So in this way we complete question number 1, first question, and all the 15 sub questions for 15 marks. One sub question for 1 mark. फाइन. आइए आखिर में आपको एक जोक सुनाता हूँ. टीचर ने स्टूडेंट से कहा कि तुम मेरे क्लास में नहीं सो सकते. तो स्टूडेंट ने कहा कि सो सकता हूँ सर, अगर आप थोड़ा और आहिस्ता बोलें. ओके देन, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स.